Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this cute little balloon is from the brand Captank. I was looking for the perfect shade of dusty blue, and they did a great job achieving that color by having a black balloon inside of the light blue balloon. These double stuffed balloons come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, which is really great for making a balloon arch or a balloon garland. I really love the double stuffed look because it's a very solid dusty blue color and it's not see-through at all, even in the direct sunlight. These balloons are also really nice quality, very durable, and it's very easy to inflate them with a balloon pump, which is what we used. So if you're in the market for the perfect shade of dusty blue balloon for your next event, something durable that's gonna last long, a really great quality balloon, then you found it with Captank. You're gonna love this balloon for your next balloon arch, and that's my point of view.